Now, I'm here with Jan Hornung next to the gripper system. What is this in the background? This is the EGT system, the Euro gripper tooling system, and this is really the workhorse of the German automotive industry in terms of grippers. This concept also has replaced the welded grippers because it's more modern, and based on the modular design you can reuse many components. What makes us very proud in Tünkers is that we are one of only 2 manufacturers who have the license to distribute this. Okay, so here in Tünkers you design the gripper system. Yes, exactly. We sell the individual components, but we also sell the completely assembled systems, tubing, wiring, measuring systems, and so on. Okay, and I can see something else on my right hand side. It's not only the EGT system, but also a black gripper. What's the difference? Now, this is our TOS system. This is a proprietary Tünkers system. We have 2 basic designs of frameworks, TOS-1, a 60 octagonal tube, and the tube for heavy loads, for heavy duty tasks, because components are getting heavier all the time. Okay, so it's a little different shape from the design. Octagonal, you said? Yes, octagonal section with the modular design. And in order to quickly replace components, the benefit of the TOS system is that we have fewer screwing points. You either have only 2 or 4 screws, so for quick assembly and disassembly. And the other system is what makes it more stable. Yes, exactly. Based on the orientation, in the x-axis we've got 4 times the force, and in the y-axis we've got twice the force and loads which are possible. The gripper arm also shows me that there's a circular tube system. Yes, from the octagonal section we came to a circular tube system in order to have more flexibility. So we can do each length and each angle that we can adjust, and this is more flexibility than going back to a grating system or incremental system. Okay, very flexible. Also in a crash situation you can change over very quickly. Yes, we don't require any special tools. We can just use regular standard tools in order to release the components and assemble and replace. So very simple design, very robust, simple to use. When I look at the system, I would even say that the robust system could even be used for a fixture in order to prepare a fixture. But the robust and stable system looks very heavy. What about more lightweight design? Well, if you wanted to do a lightweight design, I would recommend a carbon gripper. This is over here. Now, this is the carbon tube system. You have 60 size tubes, 40 size tubes, or 25 size tubes, and based on the carbon material it's much more lightweight than, for example, aluminium. Well, we save a little. I mean, savings is about up to 50% weight. Well, 50% is quite a lot, actually. I mean, you can also use smaller robots then. Yes, exactly. It is designed for smaller robots or for using older robots that haven't really grown together with the larger bodies in the vehicle industry. Okay, you can see a very lightweight gripper system, but it's still very robust, and you can even use a very large and heavyweight side panel. Yes, in terms of stability it's comparable to aluminium, however the weight is much lower. Okay, so it's weight savings by using older robots or smaller robots. Exactly.